Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JJ, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some keychains. So here's my letter mold, and this is my silicone mat, so just so my table won't get messy. And before we get started, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. So of course we need our mold, so this is the one I'm going to be using. And also I'm probably going to be doing dominoes. I don't know if I might record this together or separate, but might be doing these two. So of course you need your mold, whatever mold you're using, and anything to cover your work area so it won't get dirty. I use silicone mats because this is very easy to clean up. I will link these down below if you want to purchase the same ones. And everything else what I'm using I will link down below. But of course you wouldn't be using gloves because you want to make sure you don't get your hands all sticky because this is messy. So you'll be needing some gloves for that. Also, you're going to be using your resin, and this is the resin I use, which is Blitz resin. So you need your part A and your part B, your cups, any type of cup. I'm going to be trying these ones out. I just got these. Using cup, you can use big ones, you can use the silicone ones. You need little cups if you doing different colors, so you can separate your resin for each color. Next, I'm going to be using these are new, so I'm going to try these out. These are stirring silicone sticks, so they're silicone, easy to clean. But if you don't have these, you can always use popsicle sticks or any mixing spoon. I've seen people use like spatulas, but I'm going to try this out. Also, my heat gun to pop any bubbles that come up. So if you don't have a heat gun, you can use a lighter or a torch, but this is much better because it won't ruin your molds very quickly. Today I'm going to be using this silver flakes, but you can use any type of glitter or add-ins. I will probably do a video of like what I have of my collection in glitters so you guys can see what I use. But today I'm doing these silver ones. Also, ignore my nails, they are ugly. And for the colors today, I have a video of these. So check that video out so you can see all the colors. These are by Decor Rom, and I'm going to be using lemon, teal, blue rose, and I'm going to try these magical ones out. So I'm going to be trying magical red. But for the keychain letters, I'm going to be doing teal and lemon, and then the other two I'm going to be trying on the dominoes. Oh, actually this I might not use. I'm going to use this for the dominoes, so I'm not using this today. Let's get started because it's a long video. So first what we're going to do is of course gear up. So put on your gloves, so for safety and so your hands won't get messy and dirty. So next I'm going to get my part A resin and my cup. And make sure your cups have measurements because you want to measure the same amount equally or else it's not going to come out right. We're going to pour in 4 ounces of A into our mixing cup. Now we're going to take our part B and pour another 4. So 4 ounces of A, 4 ounces of B is going to equal 8 ounces. So you want to make sure that is equal. Next, we're going to stir this for 3 to 5 minutes, very slowly, so we won't get any bubbles. So I will be back. I'm stirring this. Okay, so now that we have mixed it for 5 minutes, I'm going to let it sit for 3 minutes just so some bubbles can go to the top. Okay, so now that it's been 3 minutes, I'm going to pop some more bubbles. So next, I'm going to take my little cups and pour some in here so I can use these two colors. Okay, so next we're going to take our colors lemon and teal, and I'm probably going to use this little baby spoon to scoop some up, but you could use popsicle sticks or anything. So we're going to put a little bit first, and then if we think we need some, we'll add some more. So I'm going to take this much of the yellow. So it's probably like not even half a spoon. Actually, maybe less. Just to see how much a little bit like this will do. Okay, I'm gonna put that into 1 cup. So first, we're going to mix the yellow. So it does look a little bit clearish, so I'm going to add some more. Okay, so this is how much I'm going to put. I don't know if you can guys see, but I'm going to put some more in there. So now it looks a little bit more yellowish. Okay, so there's yellow. So next we're going to do teal, and again I'm going to clean my spoon. So next we'll take teal. Okay, I'm going to pour it in this one. I'm going to take another popsicle stick and stir. Okay, and this is how a teal looks. Very cute. Okay, so I'm going to put these aside. So next I'm going to be taking my mold, and this technique we're going to be doing both colors at the same time, and you will see what I mean. So we're going to take our cup, and you can do either above and below or side to side, however you want. So do a little bit of blue and yellow. That looks nice. Okay, so see, there you go. It has 2 colors. So that's what you do. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do this whole letter and see how it comes out. So how does that look, guys? Comment down below what you think. It looks so cool. Okay guys, so I filled up the letters from A to Z, and this is how it looks like. Beautiful. Can't wait to take them out. That's it for day 1, and we're gonna let them cure and take them out tomorrow. Okay guys, hello, welcome back. It is day 2, and our letters are cured, ready to be out. As you can see in here, they are hard and ready. So let's go with A. I'm just gonna take it out, and look at that, guys. Very nice. How cute. This is actually a nice color together. So this is how they look. Blue and yellow. So I'm just going to take all of these out, and then I'm going to show you next how I add the key rings so they can be keychains. Okay, so now that all our letters are out of the molds, we're going to add the key rings to these so they can be keychains. And this is like a little hand drill, so we have to drill the little hole on there. I also got this from Amazon. I will link it down below. I think it actually came with my letter mode. It came in a set, but it comes with this, and then the little drill piece, and it comes with 2. So I'm going to be using this one. So now it is in there, secured. And what we're going to do is take our first letter. So I'm going to do A. I'm going to put these aside so you can see. So we're going to take A, and I'm going to put it at the top center. So I'm just going to put it in the middle, and then you just twist. And what I like to do is like hold this part down and just push it also while I'm twisting it. So it's a little bit easier. Just twist a little bit, and then you could take it out. I forgot to mention, but you're also gonna need pliers. Don't mind these, and they're rusty. I might get another pair. So we're gonna take our little screw pin, and we're just going to screw it in the hole we just made. And it can be a little tricky, so if it's kind of hard, because I know it's very small, you can just use your pliers and twist it in there also. So there it is. This is how it looks so far. So next we're gonna take the little ring. We'll put it in there. I'm gonna hold it, and we take our other piece and put it in there. And then we just take our pliers and close it because it's open, so we're just going to close it just so they won't come out. And there you go. Keychain done. How does it look, guys? So that is how I make my keychains. I'm going to do the rest of these and show you guys all of them together. Okay, so here are the keychains all done. What do you guys think about these? Comment down below and let me know. And comment down below what color you want to see next and like what kind of design. Okay guys, so there you have it. That is how I make my keychain letters from start to finish. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure to also follow me on all my social media where I'll upload more content of making keychains and other cool things. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.